Hi, good day. You already see my name in my resume, but you can call me RA for short. So, I'm a single mom in the age of 33 years old to a little cute princess. I live here in the Philippines and already have a more than a year of BPO call center agent experience in any type of line of business. One of my hobbies is watching Miss Rachel channel on YouTube as a bonding between me and my daughter. I'm also confident to overcome changes since I handle a lot of line of business in the BPO industry. I get used to making sales, technical issues, or technical assistance, customer service, mostly via voice process. Since this is an appointment setter, in every call that I receive, I am required to make appointment to the existing client or customer for their inquiries, of course. So I'm excited to be part of your company and thank you for choosing me to take this simulation with clients.